Take a moment to check out the 2022 Lincoln Aviator. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Why drive when you can soar? Take flight in this elegant and capable Aviator and start making the most of every journey. With SUV capability and a spacious, luxurious cabin, you'll feel confident, relaxed, and eager for whatever the road has in store. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, sun, moon roof, navigation system, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, V6 cylinder engine. Technology and luxury blend beautifully in this Aviator. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.